everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you my top 5 favorite presets on the Tone Master Pro. Alright, so first on my list of my favorite preset that Fender put out is the second one, which is Unchained, which is Van Halen's rig, basically. I think that this is probably the best sounding high gain amp on the platform right now. So if you're looking for the best preset to start for, say, like metal tones, start here. This is just a really good spot. This is basically what I'll do. If you watch any of my Tool live streams, this is my main distortion amp that I use. Yeah, this is a great amp all around. Moving into my second favorite is the Summer of Jimi. I'm a Jimi Hendrix fan. If you're not a Jimi Hendrix fan, there's the unsubscribe button in the bottom you can press. No, I'm just teasing. No, I mean, Jimi Hendrix, that's all you got to say, right? So it's fun to play with a rig that's built around his sound. But hey, if you're not subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button and smash that bell icon, and let me know if you're enjoying the content in the comment section below. But this is a really cool preset. There's a lot of cool things in it. I haven't used it at all. Most of the time, I'll just use it as the stock setting there, and I kind of use this just to push my creativity in a different light. I just find that this tone gives me something that I probably wouldn't have normally reached for in my own like amp design. So it's fun to come through and just play some of the random stuff and see if I dig it, and if so, steal it for my own presets. And this is one of these where I've definitely taken some non-traditional things that I would otherwise have ignored. My third favorite preset is the preset number 10, Cliff Diving. It's basically Eric Johnson, but I also use it for a lot of Andy Timmons sounds. Like Andy Timmons is one of my favorite guitarists of all time. So if you ever hear me laying on like a very big solo, this is probably the preset that I'm using. But yeah, it's just a really cool lead guitar sound. Great preset for leads. If you ever jump into one of my live streams, this is probably the preset that I'm using. I love this chicken picking preset. Now, I've made some changes to it. Like I don't remember what drive they had in here, but I put the Maximus drive in here. My entire Tools Day live stream that I did last night was done with this preset. I just added like a wah, and that was it. So don't let the chicken picking of preset number 14 make you think that it's just country. Don't get me wrong, it does the whole really well, but it just does so much more than that. I use this for everything. Like, so here's some sound examples. I love this preset. Out of all of the Fender presets that are on this unit, this is the one that I use the most. Like if I'm not going to use something that I created, I'm going to use chicken picking. It's just, it's so much more than just country. Check it out. Use it a lot. Learn how to dial it in. These are two of my favorite amps on this unit. To use them in harmony like this or in stereo is just brilliant. Brilliant job, Fender. All right, so moving into my number 5 spot, and none of these are really in order. These are just, I just wanted to show you some of my favorite tones that I use. This one is just so weird. It's the best way to describe it. If I am in a songwriting session, I like to use stuff that makes me play guitar differently, and that's exactly what this is. I don't know how else to explain it except to just show you it. So here we go. Yeah, this is just a weird preset that I use in really interesting ways. So here's like some edge of breakup sounds. It goes on forever. It's a really cool preset that I just think is really goofy. I love things that make me play in a way that's just like completely different than what I would normally do. And that's what this preset does. So if you want to try something that's kind of psychedelic and just interesting, give number 122 Slipstream a try. It's fun. All right, well, that's going to wrap up my top 5 just random presets that I like to use from the Fender Toolmaster Pro. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit a subscribe button, the like button, and leave me a comment. Let me know 1 or 2 things that you're grateful for, or maybe 1 or 2 things you've learned from the Toolmaster Pro videos I've been putting out. If you're interested in studying with me, check out my Patreon. We have a big group of people over there that are just fun to be around, and I've been learning a ton from them, and I hope they're learning a ton from me. I know Peter loves me. Shout out to him. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.